Now for today, we will be learning exactly how to format a worksheet because we have already learned in the lower grades. Formatting is very important whenever we are presenting a document in front of others. Now basically what are formatting toolbar? Now as you are able to see over here, this is basically the formatting toolbar showing to you in Google Sheets. This is nothing but with the help of this we are able to select any of the font. Minus sign will decrease the font size, plus sign will increase the font size, bold, italics, then we can strike through with the help of this particular toolbar we are able to change the text color. This is fill color, borders. So now alignment part. First, if suppose I'm giving the text English, Hindi, Marathi, science, and suppose maths. These are the 5 subjects that I have selected. Now whenever we type any text, you are able to see that by default the alignment is towards the left hand side. Now I will be giving numbers. Now when I give numbers, by default the alignment is towards the right hand side. I will give any of the names over here. English, I am giving certain random marks. For Hindi also I will be giving certain random marks over there. Same with Marathi. Now as I am entering the numbers, you are able to see that the numbers are aligned towards the right hand side. The text will by default be aligned towards the left hand side. I will be taking one more column called as total. Now we are very much aware, many a times we have done this particular part, how to get the sum with the help of functions. I'll be clicking on sum and I'm selecting all the values. Done, and I'll just click auto fill, and this time I'm also calculating the percentage. Now how to calculate the percentage? It will be equal to, done, I'm opening the bracket. I'll be selecting this particular cell, that is I'm selecting H3 divided by 500. Done. So it is H3 divided by 500. Why it is 500? Because I have taken only 5 subjects: English, Hindi, Marathi, science and maths, and I'm dividing it by 500. Now you are able to see over here it is coming in the form of point. Now one by one, going back to the presentation, and I will be helping you out with the same part. Now applying borders. Now how to apply the borders? Select the cell or cells you want to modify. So suppose if I want to modify these entire cells, I have selected the entire cell. Select the border button and choose the desired border. Now where is the border button over here? You are able to see the border button. When I click over here, you are able to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 different types of borders. This is border style, how you want the border: thin, thick, very thick, dotted, dash, double border. So we can select the type of the border, and with the help of this I can select the colors also. By default the border color is always black. Now in order to make you aware, I'll be selecting the second option, that is a thick border, and clicking over here. Now you are able to see the table is having certain borders. Done. Now cell alignment. Now what is cell alignment? By default any text that you have entered in your will be bottom left of the cell. Now over here you are able to see this is towards the bottom left and the numbers are towards the bottom right. Now I will be showing you different types of alignment over here. Now first, when we go over here, horizontal alignment, over here you are able to see left, center and right. I'll be clicking on right. You will be able to see entire thing has been shifted towards the right, left, and then center. Now I'm just increasing the cell size so that you are able to see what are the changes in it. Now I have selected this particular cell itself. Now this is vertical alignment. When I shift over here, entire numbers will be shifted at the top. Entire numbers will be shifted at the center and at the bottom. Now I'm just doing Control Z so that it is again at the same size. So we are done with the horizontal alignment. We are done with the vertical alignment also. Done. Horizontal and vertical alignment we have done. Now wrapping text. Now what is the use of wrapping text? So suppose now if I am writing grade 7 results. Done. And now I will be selecting that particular cell, that is A1, and shift and right arrow till the time I am getting the last heading. The last heading is column I. So I have selected that column I. I will be clicking on merge all. On the right hand side of borders, you will be able to see merge all. So I am selecting merge all. You will be able to see that entire cells are merged. Now I am getting only one cell, that is A1 to I1, and making it center. If you want to increase the font size, please increase the font size, make it bold. And with the help of this, if you want to select any of the color, select the color, choose any background light color. Done. So we have done the wrap text also. Now the last part. Over here you are able to see rotate text. Now if you want to rotate the text, suppose over here, when we click over here, you are able to see these are the different ways through which I am able to rotate the text. Done. But I require normal, so I am keeping it normal now. And the last part is format numbers. Now select all this particular part. You will be able to see over here format as percent. So whenever I click on format as percent, you will be able to see automatically the number is getting converted into percentage. So in this way, we will be formatting entire Google Sheets by presenting it to the audience.